Hi, it's Hiii and welcome to my channel. How are you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make these earrings I'm wearing today with pom-poms. They're very easy to do, they look very cool, they're great for summer, and that's it. Let's get started. You're going to need some thread. I'm using pink, yellow and blue and golden for the middle, and a fork. Making a tassel is really easy. You just have to go round and round the fork until you have a good amount of thread that's good enough for you. I don't want to make them really big, but you can make it as you want to and just have to go round and round as I'm doing right now. Then I'm using the golden thread, and on the top part I'm doing some knots, and I'm also going to go round and round so it's a little bit thick and you can perceive the golden thread, but I think it's very beautiful. And I'm really trying to improve with my camera setting, but as I was doing it alone I went a little bit off of camera, but basically you just have to cut the underpart, the bottom part, the part without the golden thread. You have to cut it with the scissors, but I went a little bit off of camera. I'm so sorry, I'm a little bit of a disaster, but I think that you can see what I'm doing, and just so you can cut the little threads that don't look very neat. And that's it. And now you just have to attach each tassel to a chain, and they have to have 3 different lengths, a long one, a medium one and a short one. And then we're just going to join them all together as I'm doing now. You just have to open the chain and you have to add one and the other one. And I'm sorry, I'm going off the camera again. I have to improve a lot. And then I'm just attaching a hook, and there we got it. Our earrings are done. I hope that you liked this tutorial. I really think this is so easy to do and so inexpensive. And I'm going to make more of these ones. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.